Are you struggling with coming up with profitable or irresistible online course ideas? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how to find in-demand online course ideas using ChatGPT and how to make sure your online course idea stands out from the crowd. Watch until the end. Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm Myrra Kate, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use an AI tool like ChatGPT so that you can start brainstorming online course topics that you can then create a course for so that you can make money online and maybe even start earning passive income. So that being said, if you don't want to miss out on videos just like this, all about online course creation and kingdom entrepreneurship, then make sure to click the subscribe button below and hit the notification bell as well so you don't miss out on our weekly videos. But before diving onto the tutorial, I want to make sure that you have everything you need. And so if you don't yet have a niche or an industry that you want to focus on just yet, then I suggest that you consider and reflect on the 3 circles that I have elaborated in this video right here. Those 3 circles are passion, expertise, and demand. Doing this exercise will make sure that number 1, your course topic is something that you're truly passionate about, that actually makes you feel happy or fulfilled as you teach and share it with your audience. And it also ensures that your course topic is related to your expertise and skills, that your course topic is something that you are knowledgeable about and that you can talk about for days and days and days, and that you are willing to teach and share to so many people out there. And lastly, it ensures that your course topic is something that your audience truly needs, that there is a demand to it. And for it to sell, it has to have the kind of demand that any other profitable businesses out there have. This is also why, before moving forward, I suggest that you also do market research if you haven't done so yet. This will clarify who your ideal course students are and what their struggles and biggest desires are. Having clarity on these will help you fill out our ChatGPT prompts that we'll talk about in a while. Here's the thing. If we want to get the best results from AI tools like ChatGPT, we have to give it some context. We have to make sure that our prompt is as detailed as possible so that ChatGPT has some kind of head start when it comes to producing these topics or these online course ideas for us. This also makes sure that your course ideas will really stand out and they're not just like some generic ideas that AI tools like ChatGPT has just produced, because God knows there are millions of people out there already who are using these kinds of tools and get the same responses from ChatGPT. So that being said, let's dive in and find your profitable online course ideas. So open up ChatGPT so we can start finding your online course ideas. And once you are in ChatGPT, you can use this prompt right here that says, I am a blank, insert what you do or what your expertise is. I or my business helps and caters to, insert the specific demographic or target audience that you have in your business or your personal brand. Their main struggles are usually blank and they desire to blank. Insert their desired outcomes here. And then you add, can you please generate online course ideas or concepts that can provide solutions for them? So using this prompt, like I said a while ago, we really need to get clarity on your ideal course student. And we also have to be clear on what you do and what your expertise is, what you want to be known for, what are you truly passionate about, and what is their demand for, right? So that is why I asked you to do the 3 circles activity that I mentioned a while ago. And so let's give you a sample prompt here, a sample case, just to clarify how the process will work from here. And so let's say that you are a travel blogger. So what you do or what your expertise is, put in travel blogger. Sorry. And then it says, my business helps My business helps and caters to, let's say, you are creating travel blogs for families, right? And so caters to families who like to travel. And then their main struggles, based on your market research data that you have already done so, I hope, their biggest struggles are usually traveling with kids on a budget, and they desire to have a fun and memorable trip with their kids without stress. So, can you please generate online course ideas or concepts that can provide solutions for them? So again, the importance of this is that you are giving ChatGPT a head start. ChatGPT is not just going to produce any generic online course ideas out there. You have a context, and it is something that you are sure there is going to be a demand for when you talk or start selling it or launching it to your audience. And they will actually find value in this online course idea, whatever online course idea ChatGPT will produce, because you have put in the work beforehand. You have done market research. You have asked them. You have found out what there is a demand for, right? And what their biggest struggles and desires usually are. And so click enter here, or the arrow. And then ChatGPT will start giving you some prompts for some ideas for your online course. So let's see here. ChatGPT says creating an online course tailored to the needs of families traveling on a budget with kids can be a great way to offer valuable solutions. Here are some course ideas and concepts for your travel blogger business. And so it gives you around 4 topics here to choose from. So now you can actually just pick one first and then move on with creating that course. Or you can even create mini courses in each of these ideas and then bundle them up and then sell them to your audience, right? So there are different ways to go about this. But at least you now have online course ideas that are relevant to your audience and that are profitable, because you know that these are actually things that they are finding solutions for. So it says here, budget-friendly family travel mastery, stress-free family travel planning, making family memories, fun activities on a budget, and then digital nomad family lifestyle, balancing work and travel. Now it depends on you what your chosen angle would be. So now that you have your online course ideas and topics that has come from the ChatGPT prompt, our next mission is to make sure that your online course idea would stand out in your market. And you can also start offering something new that probably your competition hasn't even offered before. So to do that, or to get some ideas using ChatGPT, then I suggest you use this prompt right here, which says, I'd like to create a course on blank, insert your online course idea. And then it says, can you suggest possible unique selling propositions to make sure the course will be profitable and in demand and that it stands out? Now, I'd like you to choose one online course idea from the 4 options that ChatGPT has produced for you. So let's just say, for example purposes, we are choosing option number 1, which is budget-friendly family travel mastery. So in this case, you probably want your target audience to master what it's like to travel with their kids, with their family on a budget, right? So you can copy paste that right here. And then you can even add something in context. So like maybe you can add and tell ChatGPT that the course outcome that you would like for your audience to be able to do after taking the course is X, Y, and Z. And the transformation would be X, Y, and Z, right? So that is if you have those kinds of ideas already. But if not, you can stick with this and click enter. And ChatGPT will then give you ideas on what other additional materials, resources, offers, or bonuses can you create and offer in your course to make sure that it stands out from the competition, right? And so you can incorporate all of these stuff to, or at least one of these things to make sure that your course will be unique, right? So it could be a personalized budget planning, it could be exclusive travel deals and discounts. You could partner up with maybe some travel websites in there, or travel planners, I don't know. Forge partnerships with them so that you can get discounted accommodations and packages just exclusive for the people who take your course, right? So things like this, when you have ideas like this, you will be able to make sure that your course has bonuses, has materials and resources that your target audience, your ideal course students, will definitely appreciate and will make will see your online course as an irresistible offer. They're gonna be like, oh my gosh, I have to really take this course because it's super jam-packed with value, and I'm really gonna get even more than just what I paid for, even more than just the online course. I'm gonna get exclusive travel deals and discounts. I'm gonna get a live Q&A session with this travel blogger, right? So again, you don't have to use all of this and to offer all of these ideas from ChatGPT. You can just choose one or two at the very least and incorporate it in how you are going to package your online course. So I hope this video has been helpful for you. And if you are ready to finally turn your God-given expertise and skills into profitable and transformational online courses, then make sure to sign up to the waitlist of my program, Courses with Confidence, where we help Christian women coaches and entrepreneurs effortlessly map, create, record, set up, sell, and review their online courses so they can have more time, financial freedom, and the ability to impact others with their God-given gifts. And so I hope that you sign up to the waitlist, because when we launch, we are going to offer exclusive bonuses just for the ones who are in the waitlist. And so if you would like to learn more and really incorporate the things that we have talked about in this video, as well as even more about the online course creation process, and have someone to guide you in the step-by-step of the course creation process, then make sure to sign up in the waitlist below. And also subscribe to our channel, because we upload videos just like this every Monday. We upload videos that are helpful for you and insightful for you regarding online course creation, kingdom entrepreneurship, and faith-based personal development. So that's it, friends. Like this video, share this video, and watch this video next if you would like to learn how to start an online course business this 2024. Keep the faith, my friends, and know that the best is yet to come. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!